Hey guys, F150LEDs.com just sent me this package. Super excited. Gonna open it up now and see what's in it. Check it out. Nice. Check it out. Camo hat. Nice. That is awesome. Dang, look at all these koozies. Got down there, quick. 4 koozies. Guys, this is awesome. There's an air freshener. Nice. Look at all these air fresheners. Anybody feeling smelly these days? I can hook you up. A lot of business cards. This is awesome. I'll hand these out at the next Cars and Coffee I go to. It controls the headlight bulbs. You'll have to forgive me, I'm super excited. Wow, there's 2 more. Oh yeah, I guess there's 4 headlights. You see that? Integrated LED running board lights. That's sweet. Oh man, I'm excited about those. And then F250 integrated LED bed lighting kit. Man, I hope they know that it's an F350. What are we gonna do? Oh no. Just kidding. Same thing. Then we have the LED headlight system. And one more. 2 LED headlight systems. Oh man, this is awesome, guys. Super excited. Thank you, F150LEDs.com. I'll be installing these very soon, and I'll have a video to go along with that, of course. So keep watching, and can't wait to show you guys what these products are about and how they look.